Hello everyone. We are here with a very exciting news and a latest update from ACCA. ACCA has now launched its own study material which is free for all the students, which is I know a very great blessing. Today, I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant. I'm bringing to you how to use this ACCA Study Hub, what are the blessings of this Study Hub, how to make the most out of it for preparing for your examination. So whenever you register with ACCA, you get your user registration and then you have a login ID and password. Through that itself, you can access your ACCA Study Hub wherein all the material is available. Now let's just figure out how to use it, how to make the most out of it. Simply on Google, type ACCA Study Hub and you will get a link from official accglobal.com. Please click on this link itself. This is how the portal looks like, and then just click on log into ACCA Study Hub. Once you click here, you need to put in your user ID and password, and this is how your portal will look like, wherein all the examinations are going to be listed here and from which attempt this material is valid. So you can see here for exams from September to June. So everything is very nicely laid out in this Study Hub. Once you click on any particular subject, right now I'm giving the demo using financial reporting subject. First we'll click on chapters. So on your left hand side you have these categories: chapter, flashcard, quiz, practice, search, and this is the entire index of my study material. So what are the chapters, what it covers, what it does not cover, everything is given here. So you can also go to the particular section which you want to study. You need not have to go through the entire study material. However, what I found while using the study material is it is little difficult to navigate from one topic to another. You have to go back to the main content and then do it. That probably is some improvement that is required. Now let's look at this chapter 4, accounting policy. So initially you have a visual overview. So it is like giving you a overview of what is covered in this chapter. So this chapter talks about IAS 8, which is accounting policy, estimate and prior period error. Now what is good is you can also rate your confidence. So how confident are you about this particular topic? So if you rate like say high, for example, and say continue, when you go back to your dashboard, you will see this high. So basically anything high could be which you can overlook. Anything low could be something that you need to rework on, or however you want to look at it. So you can mark each of the topics which will help you when you're revising. So this is a very good feature which I think you should really use. Then if we look at it, so this is how the study material looks like. This is the look and feel of it. Again, for each of the topic, each of the pages, you can rate it, and you have a calculator here. You have a highlighter, so you can highlight anything. You can remove the highlight. You can bookmark this section, and you can also make notes. Now whenever you want to highlight something, so if it is an important topic, like I want to highlight what is in accounting policy, I've highlighted this. Then you can simply click on highlights, and this is your highlighted part. So your entire study material, you can highlight what you think is important and just click on highlights while you're revising. So you could use this feature or you could use the bookmark feature, whichever you feel is comfortable and whichever works really well for you. And you can also click on level of confidence. So whatever topics you have marked as high, medium, low is going to be summarized here. So while you're revising, low confidence topic, simply click easy for revision. Highlights, bookmark, all of those are also very useful. Again, if you have taken down any notes, that will be shown here separately. This we have come back to the table of content. Then each of the topic has been explained very clearly and all of it. Then you also have a chapter summary, which I think is really good. So you go to syllabus coverage. So it talks about what all is covered in this particular syllabus, and you can navigate a previous page or a next page through this. Then there are summary and quizzes. So this is a chapter summary. This is very useful. So you can look at chapter summary also while revising. So you could probably bookmark all these sections and keep it for your reference. So highlight could be something that you want to know important topics about. Bookmarks could be like chapter summary. Use it smartly, use it wisely. You can also take a quiz of this chapter, wherein you can say start quiz. And now I'm just giving you an example. Let's say I'm choosing A and then I say confirm. Okay, I'm just clicking A right now for all the questions to see how the quiz will work. And then you can review each question. So basically this was wrong, correct answer is B. Explanation is also given, and from which part of the chapter it is coming, section 2 and 3.1. So if something is wrong, you can go back to section 2 and 3.1 to get the reference. Same thing for each of the questions. So you have a good analysis also done for each of your question. So which is similar. So either you could go to quizzes and access this, or you go to each chapter and then go to quiz. So that's with your quizzes. Then you have flashcards. So basically these are important keywords, important topics that are there in your entire study text. Materiality, prudence. Now if you want to see the information, this is available here. Like what is highest and best use. Everything has been clearly explained also. And you have an option to print this. So you can also print this and keep it for your reference. Quizzes we have covered. Practice are again questions from each of the topic. So just looking at one. Again you have same kind of look and feel in terms of that. Here you will get your answers once you have done all of it. Same way you will get that this is not correct, these are correct, and you're also getting a tutorial note. So this is how basically the entire portal looks like. So where you have your practice, quizzes, flashcard, chapters, and it is very neatly laid out. It is very useful. So yes, it might take you some time to get the hang of it because it is something very new. However, please make the most out of it. I think they have added very good features in terms of note, bookmarks, highlights, especially the confidence level, which is I think really a blessing for all the students. Use this, initially yes, whenever there is something new there is resistance, but I recommend to use this and not the existing Kaplan material for your September 23 attempt onwards. In case you have any queries, any doubts, you can definitely get in touch with us and we will definitely be happy to help you. We'll be back with more updates and more content on ACCA. Till then, take care. See you all guys.